Hey guys, welcome back to Isla's Roblox Life. Today I'm going to be showing you the haul of fidgets that I have, and yeah, I don't have that much, and some of them you might not even consider as fidgets, but yeah, I just wanted to show you what I got. So yeah, before I start, if you haven't, please like and subscribe. So yeah, let's get started. Gotta move my chair in. Okay, so first of all, I got this, and some of these poppets have broken pops, and some of like the squishies are a little broken, like this squishy. But I got it from the dollar store, and it smells so good. But yeah, it is broken, but yeah, I still like it. This is my first fidget I'm gonna show you. And then this has 2 broken pops. So yeah, that's very sad. But yeah, it's actually a very good poppet. This is the bad side. This is the good side. Okay, yeah. Next of all, I have a broken pop tube. I have a blue one, but I literally can't find it. But yeah, this is a little broken right here, and then right there. And so yeah, these pieces are broken, but I still like to play with it. Yeah. Okay. Next of all, I got some people don't consider this as fidget because it basically isn't. It's actually a popsicle maker, but yeah, it makes the best pops ever. One of the best, but I think these pops are pretty good. Sorry. Okay. So yeah, that's the popsicle maker. Next of all, I have a reindeer, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. There's the little eyes. That's the little squishy puffy thing. But I definitely consider this as a fidget because you can just like squeeze it around, squeeze around with it, and yeah. Hello, my name is Rudolph. Yeah. Next fidget I have is this. It's an earth ball. Yeah. I don't really love the foam squishies because they're a little bit hard to squish, and I like more like soft squishies. But this is like hard, but I still like it. Next of all, I have a soccer ball, a soccer ball, and it's pretty squishy. This one isn't as squishy as this one. I like this one because it's kind of feels like, don't you know that stuff that's inside like Squishmallows and Squishies, like stuffed animals? That's what it kind of feels like inside. So yeah. Next of all, we have this. It's one of those fun ones. Like I don't like. And next of all, I have a duck mochi and a dog mochi. Yeah, I only have 2 mochis. One of them are in the house, but yeah. Next of all, I have a mini pop tube. I have a blue one. I was playing with it this morning, but I can't find it. So yeah. I like this one. So yeah, that was that. Next of all, I got this poppet. It's actually pretty good. This is the bad side. this is the good side. So yeah. Next of all, I have a Orbeez squishy. Sorry if you hear any background noise, but yeah, it's a little bit wet because I think the water leaked out of it, but then the Orbeez just stay in, so I think it's still pretty fun. Yeah, next of all, I got a Tangled. Yeah, I like that one. Next of all, I got a Wacky Track. Oh, and guys, watch the quick little trick I have. Make a, well, I bet a lot of you already know this, but make a plus sign. A plus sign there. And then bend all of these small little like tip parts, like bend it to down there. Yeah, like that. And then you got yourself a snapper. Yeah, I really enjoy playing with it. Yeah, I definitely recommend Wacky Tracks. Next of all, I have a Pop-It from the dollar store. This is the bad side. Yeah, where I live, they were selling Pop-Its at the dollar store, but it sold out. I got two, but yeah, I'll share that one with you guys later. And then this is the good side. It's kind of weird how they're all like different shapes. Well, it's a dollar store Pop-It, so makes sense. Okay, next of all is the next dollar store Pop-It. Me and my friend cut these out, but yeah. This is the bad side. I seriously think this one's a little bit better, but yeah. Yeah. Okay, next of all, I have a jumbo monkey with no ears because it fell off. But it's actually really interesting. I won one of these in the claw machines, and it's crazy. Yeah. Yeah, I like this. Sorry if you hear any background noise. Next of all, I have a marble mesh. I love these. So yeah, okay. Next of all, I have this hot dog squishy, and it feels like so soft and amazing. It's definitely better than the ice cream one because it's kind of hard, but it still works and it's still pretty good. Has the squishy. This one smells better. This one squishes better. Yeah, I like the slow rise ones, and this is just a quick little. And then I have another one that feels literally just exactly like it, but just a hamburger. I also have fries, but I can't seem to find them. Okay, yeah. I have some of my friends' Pop-It that they left here. Yeah, I'll just show you guys those. This. And then, yeah, these are the only mini Pop-Its, but they left it here because they were staying at our house for a little time. Okay, yeah. So, that was the bad side. This is the good side on the circle one. Oh, wait, no, sorry, bad side. This is the good side. Pretty good. And then this is the good side on the square one. It has a little hole, but that's okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, next of all, I have, this is actually probably my favorite Pop-It, but there's a small little tiny hole, which was so sad. This is the bad side. And this is the good side. Yeah, I really like this one. So yeah, next of all, I got this apple poppet. This is the bad side. And I also like this one pretty too because it has like tiny pops. And then this is the good side. Okay, last but not least, I got this color changing needle. Oh, it makes weird noises. I'm scared that it's gonna pop. Look how weird that looks. It looks like an eyeball. It gets darker a lot. Oh, I'm scared. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, that's the end of the video. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. But yeah, bye guys.